Introducing E-Z Command Plus, the latest in digital command control for your model railroad. Since 2005, Bachmann has led the way in providing a powerful yet simple to understand DCC system for modelers at all skill levels. Now, Bachmann is proud to introduce a comprehensive update to the system, giving you more control and more interaction than ever before. Like the original system, E-Z Command Plus is designed for use with Bachmann's E-Z Track and will additionally work seamlessly with any other track system. When using E-Z Track, simply plug the included red track wire into your terminal track section and connect your E-Z Command Plus control center to power using the wall plug. The stop button will light up when your control center receives power. When using a track system other than E-Z Track, simply cut the square off the track wire and strip the plastic back slightly to expose the ends of the wires for connecting your track or layout wiring. It's important that all power to the layout is turned off when you're installing your E-Z Command system. If your railroad is segmented into power blocks, turn all blocks to on to avoid a short circuit. Your E-Z Command Plus control center features 9 programmable control buttons or addresses. By default, most new DCC-equipped locomotives are factory programmed to respond to commands on address 3. If you wish to program a locomotive to a different address, select its current address. To ensure no other locomotives are reprogrammed, you must remove all others from the layout prior to beginning the programming process. Or you can use an electrically isolated track section or programming track. Once your locomotive is selected, simply press and hold down the corresponding address button and press the stop button. The stop button will flash quickly to indicate that you're now in programming mode. You can now choose a single-digit address for your locomotive by pressing the corresponding address button from 1 through 9. Once your new address has been selected, the locomotive may move slightly and the stop button will flash slowly. You can now press the stop button again to exit programming mode. Your model is now successfully programmed to the new address and can be operated by selecting the new address on the control center. When your selected locomotive is in motion, you'll notice the new speed indicator bar to the right of the control dial, giving you a visual indication of the power you're applying to your model. E-Z Command Plus gives E-Z Command users the flexibility of 128 speed steps, rather than the 28 speed steps offered in the original system, allowing operators more finesse and control than ever before. Having access to 9 addresses doesn't limit you to 9 locomotives. You can program an unlimited number of models to the same address, provided you only have one of these locomotives on your railroad at a time. Or you can run multiple locomotives with the same address in concert with each other. Just like the original E-Z Command system, E-Z Command Plus allows you to continue operating one non-DCC locomotive on your railroad by selecting address 0. This will control any non-DCC model, provided you only place one on your layout at a time. Use this function with care, and always ensure that your non-DCC locomotive is removed from the layout as soon as you're finished running to avoid damage to the model. When operating your DCC-equipped locomotives, you can run as many as your layout and electrical setup will allow at one time. If a problem such as a derailment occurs, the full track stop button can be used. This will cut power to the entire layout, stopping all trains. Once the problem has been resolved, you'll need to press the button again to reactivate the layout. With E-Z Command Plus, you can also individually stop trains by pressing down on the control dial while the train you wish to stop is selected. In this instance, the stop signal is sent to the locomotive only. All other trains in motion will continue to run, and your layout will not need to be reset. To restart the selected locomotive, simply turn the control dial clockwise to bring it back up to speed. Since the launch of E-Z Command in 2005, the technology for digital command control has improved to allow for additional functions to be included in a locomotive's decoder. To take full advantage of this, E-Z Command Plus now features 3 pages of selectable functions, giving access to up to 28 sound and lighting features. To enter function mode, simply press the function button once. Each further press of the button will cycle to the next page, and the button color will change to correspond with the page number. To access the function options on the selected page, you can use the 0 to 9 buttons on the control center. Repeat this for the next page to access functions 10 to 19, and so on. You can refer to your locomotive's manual for a full list of available functions and their corresponding address numbers. Just like when selecting your locomotive, the corresponding number button will light up for each selected function. If the function is using the same button as the locomotive selected, the button will flash between dim and bright to indicate that it is being used for both the locomotive under control and the selected function. Control of your locomotive speed will remain accessible via the control dial, but you will need to exit function mode to use the 0 to 9 buttons to select a different locomotive to control. To exit, cycle through the function pages by pressing the function button until the button light turns off. In addition to locomotive control, your E-Z Command Plus Control Center allows you to control your E-Z Command DCC turnouts. Up to 8 turnouts or groups of turnouts can be controlled via your system by pressing Address 9, followed by the function button. Just like when you select a locomotive, you can now control the direction of your E-Z Command turnouts by pressing the Address button to which they've been assigned. By default, E-Z Command turnouts are programmed to Address 3. For full instructions on how to program your E-Z Command turnouts to different numbered addresses, see your E-Z Command Plus manual or the instruction sheet included with your E-Z Command turnout. With the simple and interactive operation of E-Z Command Plus, you'll be up and running with digital command control in no time. And whether you're new to DCC or a seasoned modeler, you'll find all the functionality and control you need to operate your railroad empire. Bachmann's E-Z Command Plus. Now that's the way to run a railroad.